What if your phone died, your GPS stopped working, clean water disappeared, and help was hours away? Would you actually be prepared, or would you realize too late that all the expensive gear you bought was more cool than useful? Today, we're counting down 8 tactical gadgets you'll actually use in a real emergency. These aren't gimmicks designed to look tough. These are practical tools trusted by survivalists, first responders, outdoor adventurers, and everyday people who simply believe it's better to be prepared than surprised. And trust me, the gadget taking our #1 spot has been helping people find their way long before satellites ever existed, and it still works when technology doesn't. Let's jump in. 8. Leatherman Wave Plus Multitool. There's a reason the Leatherman Wave Plus has become legendary. Instead of carrying separate pliers, screwdrivers, scissors, wire cutters, blades, files, and other hand tools, this compact multi-tool keeps them together in one rugged package. Picture your camping stove breaking, a loose screw on your bike, a damaged tent pole, or even making quick repairs during a roadside emergency. Instead of wishing you had the right tool, you probably already do. Its biggest hidden advantage? It saves space without sacrificing capability, making it one of those gadgets people end up using far more often than they ever expected. Now here's something people rarely think about. Protecting your gear is just as important as owning it. 7. Vaultec LifePod 10 Portable Case. Emergencies don't just threaten people. They threaten your valuables too. The Vaultec LifePod 10 Portable Case is designed to keep important items protected wherever life takes you. Whether you're storing documents, electronics, emergency cash, medication, or other valuable gear, this rugged portable case adds an extra layer of security while remaining easy to carry. Imagine evacuating your home during severe weather. Instead of scrambling for dozens of important items, everything you need is already organized and protected. Preparedness isn't only about surviving. It's about protecting what matters most. But what happens when the sun disappears completely? That's where things start getting really interesting. 6. Cyanix Aurora Night Vision Camera. Most cameras become almost useless after dark. The Cyanix Aurora Night Vision Camera does the opposite. Built to capture impressive low-light footage, it lets you see environments that would normally appear almost completely black to the naked eye. Whether you're camping, boating, exploring remote trails, or monitoring your surroundings after sunset, it provides a level of nighttime visibility that feels almost unreal. One unexpected benefit? It's also incredibly fun for outdoor photography and wildlife observation, revealing nighttime scenes most people never get to experience. Sometimes seeing more simply means worrying less. Now let's move from seeing your surroundings to tracking nearly everything around you. 5. Garmin Tactix 7 Pro Ballistics Edition. Smartwatches have come a long way. But the Garmin Tactix 7 Pro Ballistics Edition is built with serious outdoor performance in mind. Beyond simply telling time, it combines advanced navigation tools, outdoor mapping, fitness tracking, weather information, and long-lasting battery life into one incredibly capable device. Whether you're hiking unfamiliar terrain, training outdoors, or spending days away from civilization, having reliable information right on your wrist can make planning much easier. And even if you never use every advanced feature, the navigation alone makes it a valuable companion for serious adventures. Of course, even the smartest gadgets become useless if their batteries die. 4. THYRM CellVault Modular Battery Storage. Batteries are one of those things nobody thinks about until they're dead. The THYRM CellVault Modular Battery Storage solves that problem by giving you a rugged, waterproof way to organize and protect spare batteries and other small emergency essentials. Instead of digging through backpacks hoping batteries haven't been crushed or exposed to moisture, everything stays secure and ready. A lot of people even use it to store matches, fishing hooks, emergency cash, medication, or tiny survival supplies. Sometimes the smallest gadget ends up preventing the biggest headache. Now here's a product that's all about fast access when every second counts. 3. RPNB Mounted Gun Safe. Security isn't only about keeping valuables locked away. It's also about controlling access responsibly. The Airbnb-mounted gun safe offers a compact storage solution designed for quick access while helping keep unauthorized hands away from its contents. Many people install it in vehicles, bedrooms, offices, or other secure locations where organization and accessibility matter. One feature owners appreciate is how compact it remains despite providing sturdy protection. Being prepared also means being responsible, and secure storage is a big part of that. After security, let's talk about one thing your body absolutely needs to keep going. 2. Jetboil Portable Boil Stove. Hot food, clean water, warm drinks. All of them become incredibly valuable during emergencies. That's why the Jetboil Portable Boil Stove has become a favorite among campers, backpackers, and emergency preparedness enthusiasts. Designed to heat water incredibly efficiently, it lets you prepare coffee, soup, freeze-dried meals, or sterilized water in situations where traditional cooking simply isn't possible. Imagine losing power for several days. Having the ability to boil water almost anywhere suddenly becomes much more than a convenience. It becomes peace of mind. And finally, the one tool that's been saving lives for centuries, and still works when modern technology completely fails. 1. Suunto Global Compass. GPS is amazing. Until it loses signal, or your battery dies, or your electronics stop working altogether. That's exactly why the Suunto Global Compass earns our #1 spot. Unlike digital devices, it never needs charging, software updates, or satellite connections. Whether you're hiking unfamiliar trails, navigating remote terrain, or building an emergency kit, a reliable compass gives you something incredibly valuable. Direction you can actually trust. It's simple. It's dependable. And in the worst situations, simple tools often become the most important ones you own. Sometimes old-school technology turns out to be the smartest backup plan of all. So there you have it, 12 tactical gadgets you'll actually use in an emergency. From clean water and reliable navigation to multi-tools, secure storage, and life-saving outdoor gear, every item on this list serves a real purpose when things don't go according to plan. Now we want to hear from you. Which gadget impressed you the most, and which one would you add to your own emergency kit? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to GrabTopScript, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next roundup of the smartest gadgets you can actually use. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best emergency gear isn't the most expensive, it's the gear you'll actually have with you when you need it. We'll see you in the next video.